In 2015, 2 patients from UCLA Medical Center died because of a contaminated scope. This, in healthcare, is known as hospital-acquired infection, or HAI for short. Now, you would think this is an anomaly, but it's not. Just this year alone, there are more people that are going to die from HAI than breast cancer and colon cancer combined. You have a 5% chance of getting an infection if you get admitted to a hospital here in the US. Outside of the US, it could be as high as 20%. Now that's scary. So don't get sick, and don't get sick while on vacation. Now, in the case of the UCLA incident, that instrument was sterilized on a machine similar to the one on the right. That's a sterilizer. And this is how the process works. When instruments are sterilized, a biological indicator, which contains a living organism, is included in the load. This is what a biological indicator looks like. After the sterilization cycle is done, this biological indicator is then put into a reader and is allowed to incubate anywhere between an hour to 24 hours. When the results come back as negative, that means the organisms in this biological indicator were all killed. That gives an assurance that the instruments were properly sterilized. Now, all of that matching of sterilization data with the results of the biological indicator, they're all done manually. Sterilization records are actually kept in binders in hospitals, which, as you can imagine, fairly inefficient and prone to human error. What if we can improve this process, which is the goal of my research? Working with other engineers, we developed this solution. This device, together with the software that we developed, allows these machines to talk to each other and share information. Information that we put in a database that can easily be accessed through a computer or a mobile device. Together with barcode information, it helps eliminate the confusion of whether a particular instrument was properly sterilized or not. This device can also monitor these machines. So if there is something wrong with the sterilization process or the machines, we can notify the hospital staff either by email or text so they can take the appropriate action. Look, our solution will not prevent the 98,000 HAI deaths that happen every year. But if we can prevent even one accidental death and help reduce the spread of infection in hospitals, then I believe the research that we put in to develop this solution is well worth it. Thank you.